Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Kiki Beauty Talks. Today, we're delving into the mesmerizing world of eyeliner magic. If you've ever wondered how to make your eyes pop using the perfect eyeliner techniques for your eye shape, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our beauty adventures. Now, let's unlock the secrets of enhancing your eyes with the right eyeliner for your unique eye shape. A woman's eyes stand as a captivating centerpiece, holding the power to enchant and express her innermost emotions. Beyond the canvas of the face, the eyes play a pivotal role in elevating a woman's charm and beauty, shaping her unique identity in the tapestry of individuality. Part 1. Understanding different eye shapes. Before we dive into the eyeliner techniques, let's identify the various eye shapes. Knowing your eye shape is the key to creating a tailored look that enhances your natural beauty. Almond eyes. Common and beautiful eye shape that can be found in people from various ethnic backgrounds. It's important to note that the term almond eyes refers to a specific eye shape characterized by eyes that are shaped like almonds, with a slightly upturned outer corner. Celebrities with almond eyes are Angelina Jolie, Jennifer Aniston, Scarlett Johansson, Park Min-young, Suzy Bai, Song Hye Kyo, Aishwarya Rai, Rihanna, Beyoncé, Kim Kardashian. Round eyes. Round eyes are characterized by an iris that is surrounded by visible white space both above and below and circular in shape. Celebrities with round eyes are Zooey Deschanel, Alexandra Daddario, Amanda Seyfried, Mila Kunis, Anne Hathaway, Jihyo from Twice, Lisa from Blackpink, Sullyoon from Mix. Hooded eyes. Hooded eyes are referred to an eye shape where the eyelid is partially or completely covered by the skin of the upper eyelid when the eyes are open. Celebrities with hooded eyes are Jennifer Lawrence, Blake Lively, Emma Stone, Selena Gomez, Taylor Swift, Gigi Hadid, Alia Bhatt, Jessica Biel. Monolid eyes. Monolid eyes refer to a type of eyelid that lacks a crease, a single, smooth eyelid without a defined crease. Celebrities with monolid eyes are Jamie Chung, Lee Sung-kyung, Jeon Yeo-bin, Yoon Ho Yeon, Yeji from ITZY, Dahyun from Twice, Seulgi from Red Velvet. Upturned eyes. Upturned eyes have a slightly lifted or elevated outer corner, giving a more lifted appearance. Celebrities with upturned eyes: Megan Fox, Kendall Jenner, Bella Hadid, Jennie from Blackpink, Natalie Portman. Downturned eyes. Downturned eyes have a slightly drooping or lowered outer corner. It is also known for puppy eyes. Celebrities with downturned eyes are IU, Shani Grimes, Marilyn Monroe, Momo from Twice, Yoo Yeon-ju from Oh My Girl, Hanni from EXID. Part 2. Eyeliner techniques for different eye shapes. Now that we've identified our eye shapes, let's dive into the exciting part, choosing the right eyeliner techniques to enhance those gorgeous eyes. For almond eyes, embrace versatility with classic winged eyeliner. Draw a subtle line upward from the outer corner, connecting it seamlessly to the eyelid, and fill the wing for a polished finish. Ensure to create a very fine eyeliner at the beginning of the eyelid, or opt for no eyeliner at all. Complete the look by dragging the eyeliner on the lower lid, and done. You're ready to showcase your stunning eyes. For round eyes, start by drawing a wing liner at the corner of the eyes and also draw a thin line along your upper lash line with brown eye pencil. Now take brown eyeshadow and smoke it out with it. Make sure you also do the same procedure to the lower lid. Now, incorporate a touch of subtle glitter. And done! You have completed your stunning smoky eyeliner that not only enhancing the beauty of your eyes, but also providing a lifted and sparkling effect. For hooded eyes, take a black eyeliner and tightline the upper lash line to add definition, and extend the eyeliner slightly above the crease when eyes are open. And you're all set to slay the look. For monolid eyes, opt for a bold eyeliner look, going from thin to thick. Begin by sketching a wing at the outer corner using brown eyeshadow, then drag the wing down to the lower lid. Now, grab a black eyeliner and trace over the eyeliner you created earlier. Ensure it's bold and thicker at the outer corner, and you are all done. For upturned eyes, Emphasize the natural uplift with a winged eyeliner, with extra drama by creating a winged eyeliner. Extend the wing upward and draw a floating line just above the crease. Ensure its sharpness, or simply tidy up the edges with concealer for a finely sharpened wing. And there you have it, your look is complete. For downturned eyes, enhance and elongate downturned eyes by extending the eyeliner upward. Draw a line upward at the outer corner by using black or brown eyeshadow. Smooth it for a blended appearance. Then extend the wingtip upward into the crease and blend. Elevate the inner corner of your eyes with a touch of brown eyeshadow. And there you have it, see how quick and effortless it was. The ultimate guide to enhancing your eyes with the perfect eyeliner techniques for your unique eye shape. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments which eyeliner technique you're excited to try. Until next time, keep shining and embracing the beauty of your unique features. Bye.